Hi folks, doing an oil change on my 1250 Bandit today. I have started, forgot to start filming it, but I do it from here now. As you can see, I have drained it, taken the sump plug off, and I have drained the oil out, dirty black stuff. And I'm doing it early. It's supposed to be done at 20,000 miles, but if you look at my clock, you can see it's 19,128 miles. Hope you can see that. And I've just been down to the shop to buy a new washer, sump washer. I have that here. There it is by here. And it's on there, I've put it on by there now. There it is. The old one's still there as well. You see it there? That's the old one and that's the new one. Hope you can see them. We'll get rid of that one and we'll get rid of the oil out of the way, and I'll put that sump plug on. I'll pull this out now slowly and then put that drain plug on and we'll do the filter then. Okay, I'm going to put the sump plug on now, and then I'll do the filter. So hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. I got to get right down underneath and give that a little wipe there. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll put the plug on. Whoops. Try again. First time. Second time. There we go. With the new washer on. I'll just nip that up. See. Got the spanner. That'll do till I get the torque specs on it. And now we'll go down to the other side and take this filter off. Okay. Right. Okay, I'm going to put some cloth there now on top of my pipes. I don't want the oil all over my pipes, so I'm going to try to squeeze this in and hopefully it'll save a bit of a mess. But first of all, I got to get it in. There's a problem, but I think I got it. Right. That should be okay. Now I've loosened the filter off with a filter tool. I've got it up the top there. I'll show you after. Now I'm going to get my hand in. Try to turn it off. Oh my gosh, it's tight. Just come in. How much room in here to get your hand in? It's still pretty tight. Just come in. Right. I think I'll edit a bit of this out. It's going to take a while. Right. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, it's almost off. Gosh, it's a long thread. Good gosh. These pipes off. Gosh, it's a long thread. There it is. Got it. Come on through here now. Oh, that's even fit. Oh, you're going to be kidding me. The other side. It works the other side. I think it's come through this way. is. What we gonna do? Get the new one in. Here's the new one. Okay. Let's have a look at it. There we go. Okay, we're going to try to put the new one on now. And we should be able to do it from the side now. You can see the thread on that. It is a long thread. Now, put a bit of oil on this rubber. The old oil, so I need to get a bit of new oil. Try not to get any oil on my pipes. Right, so a little bit of new oil on here. Got the oil, just a tiny little bit on my finger, like that. And then you just smear it around this rubber seal, and then hopefully it just slides on better. Okay. And that, my friends, is that. It's the marker putting it on now. Give that one last wipe. Here goes. There's one on now. Right. Now it's a matter of tightening it up. Kept my pipes clean, not a drop of oil on them. Fair play. Right, keep doing that up. Right, that's as much as I can do with my hands. So I'm going to go and get that tool now, so I can show you that. I'll go and get the tool now. Okay, this is the tool to taking the filter off and on. It's a good tool, but there's not much room in here, so it is a little bit difficult to use. But I did manage to get it off, and I'll put it on by hand now, and I'm hopefully going to tighten it up with this. And just slip it round, pull the belt tight, and then work it upwards. Pull the belt tight, and I've got a marker on it. I put some tape on it to see how far it's going round. I'll show you that after. There. It's minute, but it is working. There, my marker's going round. Tight. And yeah, still going round. Marker's still going round. I'll show you that marker. I think you can see it. I'll take this off here. Can you see it on the filter? A little bit of tape. Let's see, try that side. There it is, but there. I think you can see it. You see it? You can see it from that side better. A little bit of tape on the filter. So we'll keep doing that, and we'll top it up with oil. Okay, I've tightened this up. I'm just going to give it the last bit of turn just to make sure, and then I'm taking it off. There, I can't get it no tighter. That tape is gone as far as I think it needs to. just get this off now. Job done. Thank you for that. Now, we'll put some oil in it now. Okay, here's the oil I got. It's Silkaline 1040 semi-synthetic oil. That's the oil for the Bandit 1250. So I'm just going to take this cap off and pour it in. Okay, here goes. Now I've never used this type of bag before, but I think it's going to be okay. I got a little filter on. It's going in okay, but slowly. So I think I'll knock the camera off and I'll shoot when it's in. Bye. Still at it. It's a slow process. Okay, topped it up a bit more, started it, let it rest, knocked it off, let it rest, and I've just checked it again. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, it's just slightly low now. So a tiny bit more and it'll be okay. So I'll do that now. That's it. I've topped it up again and we're right on the level now. So there we are. I hope you can see it. And that's the last of the oil. Got a litre left. My bike takes 3 litres. So that's about it. Just tighten that up and we're away. Okay, thank you folks. Catch you next time.